Welcome to my Python video tutorial series. This video will be a basic introduction about Python language, and we will see how it is very simple, easy and straightforward. So basically there are two major versions of Python that are available, Python 2.x and Python 3.x, but we will be dealing with Python 3.x throughout this video tutorial series. You can download and install the latest version of Python 3.x from the link provided in the description. So, before learning any language, it is a common convention that we learn how to print hello world in that particular language. So let's follow this convention. We will first see how to print hello world in C and C++ respectively, and then we will move on to Python. So let's get started. New C file. First the header file. Main function. Printer. Hello world. Semicolon. Return 0. Let's save this code. Now let's run this code. As you can see, we got the output hello world. Now let's create a new C++ file and try to do the same thing. So the header file hash include iostream, main function, then cout hello world, return 0. Let's save this code. Now let's run this code. As you can see, we got hello world as the output. So now let's move on to Python. So this is the IDLE, which is a simple code editor used for Python. In order to print hello world in Python, we just have to write one line of code, and it is very straightforward. Print with inverted commas hello world, and you see we got the output. Now let's do this by creating a new Python file, script file. So this is a Python script file. We'll try and do the same thing, print hello world. We'll write the same one line code, print hello world, no header files, no open curly brackets, no semicolon, nothing is required, just simple one line code, print hello world. Let's save this code. Now let's run this code. You can see we got the output as hello world. So we got to see how significantly Python reduces our effort. So this will be all for this video. In the next video we will be discussing about variables and assignments. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.